Hello there, Samurai. It's DavinchyFX. Let's get straight into it. So I had this analysis marked as a video. I want to show you guys a setup I caught yesterday. So this is a 1:7.75 setup. So I was actually looking to buy EURUSD as of yesterday. That I posted an analysis, but as I told you, the perfect motto for the Forex Samurais is reaction over prediction. So immediately price got to my point of interest, which was formerly here, and it did not give me a confirmation and it flipped bearish. I marked at a new point of interest to sell from. Then I waited for retracement into it. So when price retraced into it, I waited for a confirmation. Then I sold this pair. So you can see how beautiful that went. It's a 1:7.75 setup, as you can see. 1:7.75 setup. So if you need quality setups like this, I have a premium premium Telegram group where I post perfect entry, where you should put your stop loss and where you should put your take profit and all that stuff. So if you need that, just comment me the word Telegram in the comment section and I'll send it to you. So as easy as that. The total setup calls yesterday was about 1:11 plus. So I caught this EURUSD 7.75 and on another setup which happens to be on GBPCAD a 1:4.9. So let's just say 1:11 to 1:12. Let's just say 1:12. So if coming into the market today, where would I be looking? What would I be looking to enter from? So I'll be looking to sell EURUSD because it is currently bearish right now. And if I want to sell this pair, I will only look to sell this pair when price comes into the zone and give me a confirmation. But without that, I'll be looking to sit on my ends. Moving on to the next pair, GBPUSD. GBPUSD is strongly bearish right now, and if I'm looking to sell this pair, at least I only want to look to sell this pair if price gets into that zone. As easier. But if it gives me another further BS to the downside, then I'll be looking to change my point of interest. But for now, that's why you need to be able to react, not just predict. Prediction will give you your bias, but reaction will tell you what's next to do. And if you get this, you don't do this. If you get this, you change to this and stuff like that. So moving on to the next page, GBPCAD. So GBPCAD, then it got to our point of interest already. But at what time did it get there? Let's check. Okay, it happens at Asian session because I know I trade London session, and so if I want to sell this pair, I need Asian session I taken out first. So I'm not looking to trade this pair. Why? I'm not looking to enter yet. Why? Because price did not, like Asian session drove price into my point of interest, which normally I do not trade. I do not trade Asian session. So if I want to scale in on this pair, I need this I taken out, or price can decide to go to TP without me be able to scale in, which is not bad. You don't need to cut every setup. So as easy as that. So if price gives me what I want, that means going above that high, then giving me a confirmation anywhere above here, then I'll look to scale in. But if it doesn't do that, then I'll be looking to sit on my hands. But for those that is catching this buy right now, kudos to you. This sell right now, sorry. And this is the buy I said I caught on GBPCAD, you can see. So I marked out this point of interest, which I updated on my previous YouTube video, and I marked out this zone. Price was ranging, but as long as it does not get to your point of interest, you should always sit on your hands. So immediately price got into it, I waited for a confirmation, then I was able to catch this beautiful buy setup. You can see how beautiful it is. 1:4.98. So really price eats TP. I think there was a news as of that yesterday's evening. Price dumped immediately. It got to my TP, and few other pairs like that. They just went opposite direction. So a lot of people that held their trade till that time lost a lot. Which for me, all my TP got hit before price decided to flip. So at that, moving on to the next page, USDCAD. USD was just pumping as of that yesterday, pumping really great. So if I'm looking to buy this pair, I will only look to buy this pair at this point of interest. Anything other than that, I won't be looking to take it. So this is my point of entry if I'm looking to buy this pair. Moving on to the next pair is AUD CAD. So AUD CAD was previously bullish, and you can see it drove price into my point of interest as of yesterday's night, which I don't trade at night, but it's played out already before this morning, which is not bad. I don't need to catch every setup. Anyone I see, I make sure I use it wisely. So where would be my new? Was this a break? Yes, it was a break. So now let's see. We want to know if another pullback has happened. So you need to be able to look with precision. So if this is our high is 0.99261, then the close of this blue candle should be 0.99265, 0.99261, 0.99265. okay, then where did the pullback happen? So the pullback is not valid. So where will be our new point of interest? Our new point of interest will be around, let's see, this will be my new point of interest if I'm looking to buy this pair. So as easy as that. So if I'm looking to buy AUD CAD, I'm only looking to buy AUD CAD anywhere inside this zone. So as easy as that. So moving on to the next pair is AUD GBPJPY, and has been misbehaving. GBPJPY and EURUSD, they have been ranging for more than 1 month now, going to 2 months. And GJ is my best pair, not even one of my best pairs, because I've caught load of setup on that pair. But right now it's not giving me what I want, so I just leave it for more than 1 month now, going to 2 months. I have not traded that pair, which one of the reasons why I moved on to other pairs. So now if I'm looking to sell AUD I'm looking to sell JPY only inside this zone. So if price buys into it, I wait for a confirmation, then I sell this pair, as easy as that. So moving on to the next pair is GBPJPY. No, sorry, GBP. Yeah, no, sorry. I already told you guys that GBPJPY and EURUSD has been ranging for more than going to 2 months now. So I think that is that on those pair. I shown you guys GBPNZD. Let's see, now let's AUDNZD. I've started trading loads of pair right now. So for AUDNZD, if I'm looking to buy this pair, I will only look to buy this pair in this zone. If I'm looking to buy this pair, I'm looking to buy this pair in this zone. So let's see if there are valid pullbacks already. Okay, this is not a valid pullback. This is not a valid pullback. So that is our buy zone. So if we're looking to buy this pair, we're looking to buy this pair anywhere around this zone. Let's see. So this will be my buy zone, sorry, if I'm looking to buy AUDNZD. So moving on to the next page, GBPNZD. For GBPNZD, it is strongly bullish also, which I marked at this point of interest since a long time ago, and you can see price is super close to it. So for trendline traders, this first bounce, second bounce, they would have been looking to buy this third bounce. You see, price would have been going in their direction then. But for me, I trade DaVinci strategy, which I refined from SMC. So it's SMC, but it's a refined based on I use sessions, precise entry, and all those stuff, which you will not necessarily get from using only SMC. So it takes years of practice and focusing on it, looking at the chart back to back and stuff like that. So if I'm looking to buy this pair, I only want to look to buy this pair in this zone. And as of recent, price has been moving beautifully. Because of yesterday, it took me less than, like, it was not too long before my TP hit on a 1:7 setup, and previously when market has not come to balance, it takes me time before price even goes my way, as if they are struggling to either buy or sell and stuff like that. So right now, if I'm looking to buy this pen, I do not necessarily, I just mark this out for reference. I do not necessarily use trend line liquidity or all those double bottom liquidity, core bottom relative. I really do not use it. I use mainly session based liquidity. So if I'm looking to buy this pair, I want to look to buy this pair anytime price comes into this point of interest. I wait for my confirmation, then I buy GBPUSD to the structural high. As easy as that is. So moving on to the next pair is XAUUSD. So XAUUSD is strongly bearish right now, and if I want to sell this pair, I only want to sell this pair in this zone. You can see the beautiful buys that happen, and I marked this out on my previous YouTube videos. So you need to be on my like, comment, share. Make sure you turn on the notification, subscribe, turn on the notification, so whenever I post new setup you get them. So you can see how beautifully this went. Beautiful. So now it flipped as of that yesterday's evening, due to, I think there was the FOMC news, I think. So now if I'm looking to sell this pair, I'm looking to sell this pair anywhere inside this zone. If price does not get there, then we'll be sitting on our hands. As easy as that is. So then for volatility traders, volatility 75. So for volatility 75 traders, I have an analysis for you. Oh, now this point of interest is not valid anymore to me. So now this will be my new structural high, then my new structural low, because what? Because the pullback was valid. So you need to have everything handy. Everything what's handy. So if I'm looking to sell, where can I look to sell from? Okay. So if I'm looking to sell this pair, I'll be looking to sell this pair anywhere in this zone. So if I'm looking to sell this pair, I'll be looking to sell volatility from this zone. As easy as that is. Easy as it goes. When volatility moves really fast, volatility 75 specifically, that I trade, move really fast. I don't know about other volatilities. So for crypto traders, BTCUSD, oh sorry, okay. For BTC traders, is this a valid pullback? Yes, it is. So this will be my new structural high. This will be my new structural high over here. Price did not get to my point of interest. This one becomes invalid now. Then this will be my new structural low if I'm selling. So where's my new point of interest to sell from? I'll be looking to sell from this zone over here. So if price gets to this zone on BTCUSD, this is where I'll be looking to sell from. As easy as that is. As easy as it gets. So that is that. ETHUSD. ETHUSD was previously bullish, so I don't know about now. Let me check it out. It is still solidly bullish, which I don't really know. Until BTC flip bullish, that's when I can decide. But for now, I'm not looking to trade ETHUSD, but it is solidly bullish for now, because most of the time BTC does what ETH is likely to do next, and BTC is currently bearish. So that is that. Just don't trade based on sentiment, trade based on whatever market structure is telling you to do. So see you a lot in the next video.